Application of absolute function. Given equations 2a plus 4 absolute value equals to 12 and absolute value of 5 minus b equals to 8. Solve the given equations and find the minimum product of a and b. So we are given these two equations and we need to find the minimum product of a and b. So let's first solve for a and b. When we say that absolute value of 2a plus 4 is equal to 12, then we also mean that 2a plus 4 is equals to 12 or 2a plus 4 equals to minus 12, right? Because absolute will always return you a positive value, right? So let's solve these two equations and find possible values of a. So from here we get 2a equals to 12 minus 4, which is 8, and a equals to 4. And in this case we get 2a equals to minus 12 minus 4, which is minus 16, or a equals to minus 8. So these are two possible values for a. Now similarly, let's find the possible values for b. So we have equation here which says 5 minus b is equals to 8. Now it really means that 5 minus b equals to plus 8 or 5 minus b equals to minus 8. So when we solve for b, we get b equals, we can take b on this side and 8 on that side. So we get 5 minus 8 or b is equals to minus 3. Now in this case, we can say 5 plus 8 equals to b or b is equals to 13. So we get possible values of b as minus 3 or plus 13. So both will give you minus 8 or plus 8, and when you do absolute value you get 8. So we have four possible values. So for a, the values given to us are 4 and minus 8, right? Let me write minus 8 and 4. And for b, we have possible values as minus 3 and plus 13, right? Now we are looking for minimum product, right? Minimum product means we are trying to multiply two numbers to get negative, and minimum value means highest absolute, right? So that should give you the minimum product, right? So we can write down our answer as minimum product will be of a and b should be equals to minus 8 times 13, right? These are the combinations, and that gives you the minimum value, minus 8 times 13, and the answer will be negative, of course. 8 times 3 is 24, 8 times 1 is 8, 104. So minimum product in our case will be minus 104, right? So that is how we should solve the question. Now let us see once again how we solved it. When we say absolute values equals to plus 12, it really means that the absolute value could be either plus 12 or minus 12. So that is what it means. So we have two possible solutions, correct? And solving them, we get values of a as 4 and minus 8. And then we solve for b. 5 minus b equals to 8 really means that absolute value of 5 minus b could be plus 8 or minus 8, right? So we solved for both. And so we got two different values of b. So we have four combinations. To get the minimum, we have to multiply a positive with negative so that we get negative, right? If you multiply two negatives, we get positive. So amongst the negative choices are minus 8 times 13 or 4 times minus 3, in which minus 8 times 13 is the minimum. So that is our answer. I hope you appreciate it. Thank you.